Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint Cosmos. Today we are diving into a mind-bending question in modern physics. The question is, are there infinite versions of you in the multiverse? Are there infinite versions of you in the multiverse? This is the question, and no doubt this is a mind-bending question. So the first point is multiverse. What is multiverse? According to the theory of multiverse, our universe may not be the only one. There might be countless universes out there. That means there might be infinite number of universes. Okay, and in multiverse theory, if you study multiverse theory, then you can see that there are many multiverse theories. Okay, and out of that I'll discuss only three of them. Okay, only three, like quantum multiverse, then cosmic multiverse, and then mathematical multiverse. So according to quantum multiverse theory, especially many worlds interpretation, whenever you make a decision, just like picking coffee over tea, the universe splits. And one more thing I have forgotten to discuss, that is, we are talking about infinite number of multiverses, and in all the multiverses, the reality may be somewhat different. Events may be different, even people may be different. Same versions of people may exist in different universes. Same versions of event may exist in different universes. Versions are different, but events remain the same. Realities remain the same, but versions of realities are different in different universes. So that is according to the multiverse theorem. And now, right now, we are talking about quantum multiverse, and especially we are talking about many worlds interpretation. And according to that, whenever you make any decision, just like picking coffee over tea, in that case, universe splits. And in the other universe, means the newly created universe, okay, in the newly created universe, the other choice was made. There is a chance. So this is according to many worlds interpretation, or better to say here, according to quantum multiverse theory. That means maybe in one universe you are a doctor, in another universe the same person of you is an engineer, and yet in another version of the universe you are there a lawyer. Okay, so you can see that so if you consider infinite number of universes, that means infinite versions of you are present in different universes. Again, there is one more multiverse theorem that is known as cosmic multiverse theorem. And in cosmic multiverse theorem, you know cosmic inflation theory. According to cosmic inflation theory, right after the Big Bang, when it's, during which the space was inflated, okay, so different parts of the space inflated at different rates, and that way created bubble universes. Each bubble is a universe. Bubble universes, I am talking about bubble universes. That means each bubble is a universe, is a separate universe. Okay, that means in one bubble, you are something. In another bubble, the same version of you is something else. So here also, according to this theory also, cosmic inflation theory, or better to say cosmic multiverse theory, same versions of you may be present in different universes. Again, it may so happen that there is one universe where still atoms didn't form. There is no atoms, means there are no atoms in a universe. Possibilities are different, and according to different possibilities, different formations may exist. Okay, if nothing can form in that universe, that means in that universe there is no version of you. Okay, it is not necessary according to this theory then that in all the universes you are present. Number of universes is how much? It is infinite. So infinite number of persons of you may be present in the universes. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about cosmic multiverse theorem. Then there is a mathematical multiverse theorem. Physicist Max Tegmark proposed this theory. According to that theory, that if you can imagine any mathematical structure, means if you can imagine a reality which is mathematically possible, then there is a chance that that reality is real somewhere. So according to this mathematical multiverse theorem, there are possibilities of infinite number of universes existing together. So here also there is a chance that different persons, or better to say infinite persons of you, are present in different universes. So all the theories, whether it is a quantum multiverse theorem, or whether it is a cosmic multiverse theorem, or mathematical multiverse theorem, all the theories are implying the same thing, that different persons of the same thing might be present in different universes. So same thing means we are, for example, talking about the person of you. Okay. Anyway, so, but one thing you should keep in your mind, all these things are highly speculative. There is still no experimental evidence of any, of the existence of any multiverse. Okay. All these theories are highly speculative. Okay. You can study all these things in the subject realm of modern physics or theoretical physics. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video fascinating, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, thanks for watching.